Hello there and welcome back once again. So in this video we will learn about the placeholder attribute in the input element. Currently if we go to our HTML page, as you can see there is no way I can see like what input is for what. I have no idea of judging like hey this input is for email or username or something like that. Right, there is no indication inside of the UI. If I want to know what input is for what, I have to go to the code and then see like, okay, this is the username. So I should be like adding the username here, but there is a better option for us. So what we can use here is the placeholder attribute in the input. Okay, so here I can say like placeholder, and here you have to have the placeholder text. For me is the your user name, right? And hit save and see what happened. So as you can see inside of this particular input, which is the first input, there is this grayed out text, right? There is this grayed out text, and as soon as I hit something like Indro, and that text disappears. So that was a simple placeholder text for this particular input, so that the user can see, okay, so in this input I should be entering my username. Okay, so this is to provide the additional information to the user inside of our UI, so that the user know what data to fill in what input field. Okay, so let's do those things for all other inputs here. So we have this email, name email, and then we will use the placeholder to your email. Okay, and as you can see here, we can add some spaces or something like that, which is valid, so no worries on that. Then like placeholder to password. Let's see, your password, and then placeholder to your once again your age. Okay, now everything is good. I was making some typos here and there. So now if we go to the browser, as you can see, our all of the inputs have the proper placeholder, and here I can enter something like Indro, and the other ones are not disappearing. So unless or until you are filling out something inside of that particular input, the placeholder text will not be disappeared. So which is awesome. So in that way, our user who is using the browser and our application knows inside of which input field the user should be entering which data. Okay, so this is basically the placeholder attribute for the input element in HTML.